1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a bat! The flying mammal that comes out at night. Let's see what bird is hidden behind 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a crow! Black, clever, and often seen in the sky. The dots are forming some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a parrot! They're talkative and loves to mimic words. Let's connect the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a hen, fluffing around and laying eggs in the farmyard. Look closely as the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a duck, flacking around in ponds and swimming with ease. This bird might 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's an eagle, majestic with powerful wings, soaring high above. The dots are coming together. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a myna, a talkative bird known for mimicking sounds. It's time to reveal another bird. Let's click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's an owl, wise with big eyes and active at night. Let's connect the dots and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's a pigeon, often found cooing around cities, the messenger bird. Let's see what bird is hidden by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a rooster, the proud bird that greets the dawn with a loud crow.